friends, good morning. Happy hump day, happy Wednesday from Barkhausen. It is a waterfowl preserve. Did you see that cool snake? There is creatures everywhere. We've got eagles and turtles and squirrels and muskrats, all kinds of birds. The one creature that I don't like, I don't think anybody likes them, are the mosquitoes. It was already biting my face and I have covered myself in spray. Man, out of the car for not even 10 seconds and they're on me. And one of the things I'm doing this week in preparation, it's one of the reasons I'm making this video, to tell you about the trip to Kilimanjaro climbing and why I'm going. I have to get a yellow fever vaccination. It's required from Tanzania, and also gonna get malaria as well. Well, so I don't get malaria or yellow fever. I have such respect for the animal kingdom and I love insects, but there is no love for the mosquito. Hi, little butterfly. Well, aren't you a cutie? One of my totem animals is the butterfly. Look at that. I just saw a deer. All kinds of creatures out here. I was raised by a biology professor and taught as a child to appreciate and respect nature. And not to kill insects, well, not to kill basically anything. Mosquito Creek, yeah, except those can die. Bed bugs. The funny thing is, dragonflies and butterflies, they love me. They always come to me and land, and I love them. But other insects love me too that I don't love back. Mosquitoes, bed bugs, fleas. And if I see a spider walking down the road, I will literally stop and not step on it and go around. Hello, Mr. Spider. Please don't bite me. Bumblebee. Fascinating insect. Technically, not supposed to be able to fly due to its weight and wings. Mother Nature, so beautiful. You ask me, why am I going to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, make a documentary out in East Africa? Well, one of the reasons is to inspire the respect and appreciation for Mother Nature. We need her. She's healing. And we're the ones that sever that bond. And my wish for you is go outside today, appreciate nature, be silent, see how many creatures you can spot, respect, appreciate. It does a heart good. Sending you love and light on your journey. Make it an amazing day.